Hey, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 2020 Ford Velociraptor 600. This truck has 36,000 miles on it, clean Carfax. We have all of the documentation from Hennessey, dyno sheet. It's a stage one. The stage one trucks get updated brakes. The wheels, front and rear bumpers, light bar, amp research, power boards. It's a fully loaded truck. It does have the carbon fiber package, which was hard to get in 2020. It's got the twin panel panoramic roof, navigation, 360 camera, adaptive cruise control. Stage one also comes with the 3-inch lift kit from Hennessey. The paint on this truck is gorgeous. It's one of my favorite colors on a Raptor. It does have a tonneau cover, the backflip kind. Really good shape. It's a non-smoker truck. We have 2 keys, all the remotes. We've got all the books. And no accidents at all. You can request a free Carfax from us or click the button on our website, get one there. Just a really clean truck, well taken care of. Got those nice wheels, Hennessey wheels on it. All-weather floor mats. The seats are not all worn out like you see on some. Really good shape. It's got the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Real dark tinted windows. Heated and cooled seats. Trailer backup assist. It's got some LEDs in the rear bumper also. You can turn all the LEDs on using the auxiliary switches here. Front and rear. And there we go. We've got 36,900 miles. One of the fun things about these trucks, I've had several of them now, when you put it in sport mode, that blow-off valve gets nice and loud, sounds really good. The exhaust opens up. It really sounds cool when you're in your sport mode. Fast truck. Give us a call, text, email. We do get back to you very quickly. We do have a title on this one, clean Texas title. Hope to hear from you. The website is rogersmotorcars.com.